Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we freeze columns and rows in your Google Sheet. So stay tuned and watch till the end. What is the shortcut to freeze row or column? The shortcut to freeze row is Alt V R, and now I can choose option 1 row, 2 row, up to 4 row. So for example, 1 row, enter. It will freeze my top row. I can scroll down and see it has been frozen. To unfreeze this, again, Alt V R and first option, no rows, enter. It will unfreeze row for me. To freeze the column, again, shortcut key is Alt V R and one column, enter. So it will freeze my column A. To unfreeze this, again, shortcut key is same, Alt V R and no columns. So it will unfreeze my first column. So this is how you can freeze your rows, your columns, unfreeze your rows, your columns with the help of shortcut key and without shortcut key. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.